Managing physical assets, whether it's IT equipment, tools, vehicles, or facility inventory, is a challenge for any business. Keeping tabs on what you own, where it is, who's using it, and how it's being maintained can become overwhelming, especially without the right system in place. That's where Asset Panda steps in. Asset Panda is a cloud-based asset tracking and management platform built to help businesses of all sizes maintain control over their assets. It offers full customization, a mobile-first interface, and powerful automation tools to streamline asset management workflows. Whether you're overseeing field operations, IT infrastructure, or office equipment, Asset Panda makes the process more efficient and transparent. In this video, we'll break down its essential features, how they benefit your organization, and why it's a top-tier solution for asset management in 2025. So for its key features and benefits, first is the customizable asset tracking. Asset Panda gives you complete flexibility in how you track and manage assets. You can define your own asset categories, create custom fields, and set up unique templates for different departments or asset types. Whether it's tracking serial numbers, warranty dates, purchase details, or usage history, everything is built around your workflow. You're not locked into a one-size-fits-all structure. Instead, you get a system tailored to your specific needs, improving accuracy and ease of use across your team. Another key feature is the mobile app with barcode and QR code scanning. The mobile app transforms any smartphone or tablet into a powerful asset scanner. You can quickly scan barcodes or QR codes to check items in or out, update information, attach images, and even log maintenance activity, all from the field. This enables real-time updates, minimizes paperwork, and empowers employees to take immediate action, whether on site or in transit, without needing access to a desktop. Another key feature is the automated maintenance scheduling and alerts. Keeping assets in good condition is essential for smooth operations. Asset Panda lets you set up recurring maintenance schedules, assign service tasks, and receive alerts when inspections or repairs are due. You can also log service history for every asset. This helps prevent unexpected breakdowns, ensures compliance with safety requirements, and extends the life of your equipment by catching issues before they become costly problems. Another key feature is the advanced audit trails and reporting. With Asset Panda's detailed logging and reporting features, you can track the complete history of every asset, from acquisition to decommission. Reports can be generated by department, location, asset type, or user activity, and audits are easily conducted with digital verification. This gives you full visibility and accountability, reduces losses due to misplacement or theft, and simplifies the audit process for finance and compliance teams. Another key feature is the user permissions and role-based access. You can manage who sees what with role-based access controls. Different team members can be assigned different permissions, ensuring that sensitive information stays secure while frontline users have access to what they need. Role-based access improves operational efficiency and protects your data by giving team members just the right level of access to perform their duties effectively. So why is Asset Panda a great choice? Asset Panda stands out for its flexibility, ease of use, and mobile functionality. It's designed to serve a wide range of industries, from construction and education to IT and healthcare, making it an excellent option for any organizations that deals with physical assets. Its intuitive interface, robust customization, and real-time tracking make it easy to onboard new users and scale your operations. You can start small and grow your system as your needs evolve, all without sacrificing performance or visibility. What also makes Asset Panda a great investment is its ongoing commitment to improvement. With regular updates, responsive customer support, and integration capabilities with other business tools, the platform remains modern, relevant, and efficient. It's built to help you not only track assets, but truly manage them with insight and control. So basically, Asset Panda is more than just an asset tracker. It's a complete asset management platform that helps you maintain control over your equipment, inventory, and infrastructure. From mobile barcode scanning to maintenance scheduling and detailed reporting, every feature is built to improve productivity and reduce costs. So, if your organization is looking to eliminate spreadsheets, reduce asset loss, and gain full visibility over valuable resources, Asset Panda is the smart solution. The platform is adaptable, it's easy to use, and packed with the tools you need to manage assets effectively in 2025 and beyond. So don't hesitate to use Asset Panda. Start leveraging Asset Panda today and experience a new level of clarity and control in your asset management process in 2025 and beyond. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.